Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am cooking some chicken thighs. I'm gonna stick this sucker in the oven. So let's go ahead and season it up. I already went ahead and washed my chicken with some white vinegar. Probably should give it another rinse. I like to keep my skin on my chicken because it helps to preserve the tenderness and it locks in all the moisture in the chicken. Alright. Gotta be very delicate with the skin. So a little bit of water left. Okay guys. So first off, I'm gonna go ahead and add some browning. Just a little bit, just a capful to my meat. That's about the size of what I'm using. Go ahead and add some onion powder. Some garlic powder. A little bit of garlic salt. My favorite of all times, my turmeric. I put it in everything I eat because it's overall super duper healthy. Some chicken seasoning. Some paprika. I want it to be a little bit spicy today. And some black pepper. Rub this up. If you can get underneath the skin and rub the seasoning onto the chicken itself, that would be the best. You know, just try not to rip the skin off. We're gonna add some teriyaki sauce to it. And I'm gonna put this in the fridge and let it sit and marinate for about 2 hours. And then we'll stick it in the oven. Alright. Okay guys, so it's probably been 4 hours since I seasoned up the chicken thigh. So I'm just greasing the bottom of the pan. And I'm going to go ahead and put these thighs in. Let's go ahead and put our chicken in the oven. I set my oven at 350. And we're gonna leave it there for 45 minutes. Okay guys, so I went ahead and take the chicken out of the oven, and I am about to cook up some seasoning and cook this one down. Alright, so I got my cast iron pot. Go ahead and put some onions, tomatoes, some bell peppers, just gonna let that kind of cook down a little bit before we go ahead and add our chicken to the pot. Pepper. I'm going to go ahead and add all the gravy from the pan onto the top. So let's let that cook itself down. Okay guys, so this is my finished meal. This is my chicken thigh brown stew in the oven. Soft, tender, mouth watering. Okay guys, until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.